Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Zeeshan and in this video series I will teach you how to install, setup and use Kali Linux inside VMware Workstation Pro step by step from beginners to advanced. In today's video we will start with basics. First, what is Kali Linux? Second, what is VMware Workstation Pro? And after all, why it is great idea to use Kali Linux inside a virtual machine instead of your main machine. So let's get started. First of all, we will understand what is Kali Linux, then what is VMware Workstation Pro, then why do we use virtual machines, then next. So what is Kali Linux? A Kali Linux is a Debian based operating system if especially designed for ethical hackers, pen testers and digital forensics. It is developed and officially maintained by Offensive Security. In this Kali Linux operating system, we have some pre-installed tools. Over 600 tools we have, including Nmap for network scanning and Metasploit, Bubsuit and Wireshark. It is free to use and it is a open source. Second one is it is a multi-platform support, means it can be used virtual environment, ARM, cloud as well. After that, why Kali Linux stand out? Because it is always currently updated and it is regularly updated. Tools and repository ensures you are working with the latest security capabilities and vulnerability databases. Second, fully customized. You can customize your Kali machine as per your own use. Third is global community. Benefits for extensive documentation, forums and tutorials created by security professionals worldwide. Means all are the tools or which are available. It is fully updated and you can create also tools in this Kali machine. And hardware versatility. Third one is what is VMware Pro? A VMware Pro is a industry-leading virtualization software that empowers you to run multiple operating systems simultaneously on a single physical machine. Means it is a software which allows you to host or run multiple virtual machines in a same operating system. It has a multiple features like multi-OS freedom, snapshot management, network simulation, and safe task ground. Third, why we use Kali Linux in VMware or virtual machine. Kali Linux is like a operating system that has much vulnerable softwares and viruses and everything we can install in this machine. So if you install this in your main machine, it will impact your main machine as well. So that's why we are using Kali machine in our virtual machine setup. Kali machine provide virtual features like complete isolation, instant recovery, side-by-side workflow, and no double boot complexity, experiment friendly. Real world use cases, building your security lab. Kali Linux, your attacker machine running pen testing tools, target machines or target VMware's vulnerable system for practicing exploiting techniques like Windows Server 2019, 2022, Windows 11 as well. You can run in Kali Linux, virtual machines, and you can also run a Metasploitable framework and monitoring tools like you can track and analyze security events in real time. Why you can safely do run Metasploits and other exploiting frameworks, capture and analyze network traffic with Wireshark, simulate real-time world traffic attack scenarios, build complex lab environment and multiple machines, practice incident response and forensics. Keyway Tech Base. Kali Linux, the industry standard ethical hacking operating system with 600 plus pre-installed security tools, VMware Workstation Pro, professional virtualization platform enabling safe, flexible and multiple OS support environment. Third, virtual machine benefits, it is safe and flexible and powerful learning environment for cybersecurity practice. With a virtual machine, you can break things and fix them without breaking your computer. It is the ultimate sandbox for learning cybersecurity. What's coming next? Now we will go how to install VMware Workstation Pro. After that, how to install Kali Linux in VMware, and also advanced virtual machines configurations. For that, we will go to our browser for downloading first VMware. Here I am using Firefox. So first of all, we will search VMware Workstation Pro. VMware Workstation Pro we can search. The official website of VMware is Fusion Workstation. Here just scroll down and VMware for PC. If you are using it in a Mac, you can download this one. Just click on download now. It will redirect to broadcom.com. Here you have to create your account. First, I have already created, so I just log in. Now you can directly download VMware Workstation Pro from this website, as I have already downloaded, so I will not going to install it again. After that, we will go for Kali Linux ISO file. For that, we have to visit kali.org. It is the official website of Kali. Here, if you are using Kali Linux in your host machine or booting file, you can download this one, and we are using this in virtual machine, so we will go for that. Now we have to download VMware file, that is this one, as I have already downloaded, so I have not download it again. After that, it will download it. See, this is all the files. VMware also installed in my machines. VMware Pro is there. So before, just open the folder, select this VMX file, right click on it and open with VMware Workstation Pro. See, it will automatically open Kali Linux with his minimum configuration. If you want to change it, just click on this and you can change it. Here it is using 80 GB storage, so if you want to change, then you can change. I am not going to change this. Here it is NAT. It is using your host IP address, and NAT is a network address translation protocol used for translating your host machine IP to the VMware's. It is using 2224 processor. You can configure it as per your requirement. I am giving 2 GB only right now. After that, we can just start. My Kali is opening. Here the default password and username is Kali same for both. Here Kali. Here you can customize your terminal as well by going to preference sections. You can select this, and you can also change font style, font type, like I am using here. Now see, my Kali machine terminal interface will be changed. So if you want to see your IP, just click on if config. It will show you your IP like 192.168, 191, 131. Right now I am using NAT protocol, so it is not my real IP. See, for I will show you my real IP. In Windows, if you want to show your IP, just type ipconfig. It will show all the IP. See, my real IP is 192.168.0.103, but here I am getting 192.168, 191, 135 because of network address translation protocol which we are using here. If you switch this to bridge network, then I will get my real host machine IP in Kali also. See, After running this ipconfig, see I will getting my real IP of my machine, host machine. So before updating to my Kali machines or all the apps and softwares, we have to do one configuration, that is we have to remove hash from the source list so it can use our Debian package installer to update our Kali machine list. For that we just go to nano. First of all I will clear the screen, then nano slash etc slash apt slash sources list. Here we have to just remove this hash from this line to make it executable. After that we will control X enter, Y enter, then control X. Actually it is not working because we are not in a root permission. So for that we type sudo su, then Kali. Again we will do same, nano slash etc slash apt slash sources list. Now we just have to remove this hash, make it executable, control X, Y, enter. Now we will update our Kali machines, apps, applications and softwares. All for that we have to just type apt update and apt upgrade. After typing this, see our Kali machine getting updated. Just we have to type yes. See all the machines and software is updating. It will take at least 40 minutes because in starting it will take lots of time, so you can do it. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe for next episode. See you.